Hey folks, it's Russ. Today's October 12th, 2021. I wanted to take a minute and shoot a quick video letting you know about a new system that I'm using. I'm calling it my $300 a day blueprint because you can make up to $300 or even more a day using this system. If you click the link below, you're going to be taken to a page that looks just like this, and you can see right here, it says free video reveals my $300 a day blueprint. Learn how to earn hundreds daily posting pre-written ads on social media. This is a simple system. Anybody can do it, whether you're a newbie or an expert marketer. It doesn't really matter. It's a global opportunity. You can get paid using Bitcoin, PayPal, Zelle, Cash App, basically any payment processor that works in your country you're able to use. It's 100% commissions and you get paid instantly, which is what I love about this program. You're also going to get all the pre-written ads you need. You're going to get images to use. You're going to get a 7-day fast start action plan. You're going to get training in YouTube, Instagram, Craigslist, Facebook, TikTok. You're going to get a 30-day email sequence you can use for follow-ups. You get everything you need here, okay? And there's no waiting, like I said, for a week or a month to get paid. You're going to get paid instantly. So this is something I highly recommend you check out. You can click the link below in the description box. Like I said, you'll be taken to a page that looks just like this. You just simply enter your name, your email, click the I want to make $300 a day. You'll be taken over to the system page where you're going to get all the information about this and how wonderful it is, okay? You can also, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can, and I'm always here to help you out. So don't think that if you join this that you're going to be by yourself. I'm here to help you. We have Facebook groups, and it's just a really cool community and an awesome system. So check it out. Let me know what you think. I'm more than happy to help you out, okay? So I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. I'll see you in the next video. And as always, peace be with you.